Okay, did you hear that? Okay. Um, yeah, so this practice is about you and your relationship with the world. You know, the word, I say the world, but that word could be, you know, um, divine intelligence or the earth or, you know, even the cat that is, you know, my devotion. You know, whatever you're devoted to, you're in relationship with that, to being devoted to yourself and in relationship with that that power that is. Um, I was thinking about that this morning because I consider myself like a spiritual atheist in a way. I don't know. You know, I'm always dancing with that investigation of what is moving me, what is inspiring me, what is going on that I'm not aware of. Yeah. So, and then all the names that can be, the thousand names that we can put to that. It could even be science. You know? I was watching a documentary about the planets, you know, and it's very, very much on that scientific, literal, you know, investigation, except that it taps into so much of what we do not know. So basically, it's like the relationship of with that which we do not know, you know, which we cannot grasp. So we're gonna that's are gonna be our writing. So make sure you have your journal with you. And oh, good, we've got some animals in the house. Oh, good. So make sure you have your journal because we're gonna do that at the end of practice. In general, the practice will go, you know, we'll be together at the beginning. I'll do some talking. Maybe I'll ask some questions. We'll do a guided meditation um, and a practice that is a blend of, you know, movement, qigong influenced movement, yoga, you know, like stretches and strength conditioning. So all of that kind of little blend so that we can be in touch with the body. But before we get in, and then we'll do some writing, usually at the end, with some writing prompts. Maybe some breath work, maybe some mantra. Mantra is when we place a statement or a chant on our breath to help us focus, to help us become still so that that which we do not know can find us in a way. Um, yeah, so how's that sound? Thumbs up? Mhm. Okay, great. And thank you for muting yourself. So that's great. When we do chant too, we'll probably do that because Zoom doesn't really work with a collective voice. So you'll stay muted and we might do call and response. And there's benefits to that too. You're in your own space, you're in the privacy of your own space. So therefore, if you make mistakes, you know, that allowance, you have the allowance to investigate and fumble without feeling judged or that anybody can hear you. You know, so that's a positive. Um, so first, I just want us to take a few deep breaths together, and so maybe if you want to close your eyes, do so, or perhaps if they just drop down and focus on one point, and let the breath be slow and steady, a relaxing breath on that exhale and the inhale. You know, the inhale is like you're welcoming life force in, which you quite literally are. And the exhale is that letting go, that release, that which is also a gift, a giving. And the attention is placed upon this breath. And there is an effect. When we place our attention upon the breath, we are in the present moment. We are opening up to that spaciousness that is within this physical form. You know, we have the animal body so that we can draw that spirit in, that inspiration. Just quieting the mind and relaxing the body. And for today, we'll do this for a few more times. And as we breathe here, and I want you to consider and open up to 3 words that clarify why you committed to this work that we're going to be doing together. What brought you here? What inspired you to devote yourself to a practice for 2 weeks with the guidance of me? And listen with your heart and let these 3 words just come to you. As you inhale, you can be open and curious about what brought you to this practice. And then on the exhale, hear that word. And it's okay if only one word, or maybe it just comes in an image too. But let's just take one more breath together here. Deep inhale. And exhale. And then opening the eyes, or we're going to write down those 3 words. So just grab your journal and write down those 3 words.